Chotu TV.
Hello kids, let's learn ABCD. A for apple, B for ball, C for car, D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog, G for giraffe, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yacht, Z for zebra. Now, let's make this puzzle. A. Now, B. B for ball. Where is C? C. C for car. Now where is D? D. D for dog. After D, there will be E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. Then let's find G. G. G for giraffe. H for horse. Where is I? I for ice cream. Then where is J? J for joker. Now K for kite. L for lion. Now where is M? M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Then Q for queen. Then where is R? R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. Then X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Now Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Chotu TV.